In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your affiliate link for products on AliExpress, so you can then link those products to people, and if they buy, you will earn a commission. So first you need to sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program. I've got a video explaining all of that, but basically if you've had this email come through which says your affiliate account is ready, you can now start creating affiliate links and making money. So you want to go to AliExpress and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you want to head over to their affiliate program. Now that should then log you in. If it doesn't log you in, obviously just sign in with your email and password, and then you'll be taken to the AliExpress affiliate dashboard. Now from here you can go to tools, and there are two ways that you can generate a link, and I'm going to show you both real quick. I do prefer the last one though, so stay to the end so you can see that. But the first way is to go to the link generator, and what you can do here is you can paste in any page URL and get a tracking link. So if you go to AliExpress, so you'll have to open a new tab for this. So here I am on AliExpress. Now let's say I want to promote, for example, I don't know, a TV, smart TV. So I could type in whatever product that I'm looking for. I could then find that product. I can click on it. And then once I'm on the product page, I can then copy this URL at the top, head over to the AliExpress affiliate portal, paste this URL in the link in this box here, get tracking link, and then we can generate a link which is going to be unique to us, which if someone clicks on it, it will redirect them to the product. Let me just do it in a new tab. So here is that product. It's in Thai because I'm in Thailand and I'm on incognito. But here's this product, and if someone was to buy it, I would earn a commission. Now there is one more way, and it is a lot quicker. So here I'm on this product, and you can see I've also got AliExpress affiliate SiteStripe, and it's going to tell you the commission rate for this product and the estimated commission I earn if someone buys this product. Now this is called SiteStripe, and what you can do is you can enable this, and it allows you to go to any product on Amazon or on AliExpress, sorry. So I'll go to this product here, which is £3,000. You can see on average I'll earn $90 if I promote this product at a 3% commission rate. And on AliExpress, I can use SiteStripe, and I can just go here to get link, click text, click copy, and I've now copied my affiliate link for this product. Now if you can't see this bar here at the top once you've signed in, you want to go to your dashboard, go to tools, go to SiteStripe, scroll down and just enable it, and then once you've enabled it, you'll be able to see this SiteStripe banner for any product, and that's how you can quickly get your links. I hope that helped you out.